Are you planning to get pregnant, and you wish if it were twins? Well then first you should be knowing how twins are born. There are numerous misconceptions surrounding on how to conceive twins, and in this video, we will clear off those misconceptions, and show you 6 factors which increase the chances of getting pregnant with twins. Starting with number 1. Family history or genetics. If you belong to a family of twins born so often, then there is a high chance that you might conceive twins. This is due to the genetic predisposition. Also, if you are a twin yourself, then you are more likely to give birth to twin babies. Number 2. Height or weight. Height and weight of parents also play a major role in the conception of twins. According to a study by the American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology, women who have a BMI of 30 or above, have a high chance of conceiving twins. It is also reported that taller woman has a high chance to conceive twins. Number 3. Maternal age. It is a fact that, with age the chances of getting pregnant decreases. Keeping it aside, studies have proved that the chances of having twins increases as you age. This is because, as you get age the production of FSH, follicle-stimulating hormones, which plays a key role in the release of eggs from ovaries for ovulation also increases. So as the number of eggs released increases, the chances of conceiving twins also increase. Number 4. Oral contraceptives. Even though oral contraceptives are known to prevent pregnancy, there is a high chance that you can conceive twins. This is because, when you stop taking pills there are numerous hormonal changes that take place in the body during the first couple of cycles. And hence, the chances of getting pregnant with twins is high when on oral contraceptives. Number 5. Being pregnant after having a set of twins. If you already give birth to twins, then we can assure the chances of getting pregnant with twins the next time is also high. Number 6. IVF, or in vitro fertilization. While all the above factors do not guarantee that you might conceive twins, if you opt for in vitro fertilization, then chances of getting pregnant with twins is very high. In this procedure, eggs are fertilized outside the body and then transferred to the uterus. So, these are 6 factors which increase the chances of getting pregnant with twins. Take a note of it for conceiving a twin next time. Please share the video with your friends and family, so they can also benefit from the information. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up, and comment your suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe, to stay healthy with upcoming videos from Health Veda.